Hey everyone, if you're looking to add a unique and exotic touch to your garden, why not try growing tamarind? Today I'll share with you 10 essential tips to help you grow tamarind like a pro. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dive in. First up, choosing the right spot. Tamarind loves the sun, so make sure you plant it in a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. The more sun, the better. Next, soil is key. Tamarind trees thrive in well-draining, slightly acidic to neutral soil. If your soil is too heavy or clayey, consider mixing in some sand or organic compost to improve drainage. Now, let's talk about watering. Tamarind trees do not like wet feet. Water them regularly, but allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is definitely something we want to avoid. When it comes to fertilizing, less is more. Feed your tamarind tree with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer once at the beginning of the growing season. This should be enough to support its growth without overwhelming it. Pruning is next on our list. Prune your tamarind tree during the dormant season to remove any dead or overcrowded branches. This helps to improve air circulation and light penetration, encouraging healthier growth. As your tamarind tree grows, it might need some support. Use stakes or trellises to help young trees grow straight and to support branches as they become heavy with fruit. Now, a quick tip about pests. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids and scales. A gentle spray of neem oil can help keep these critters at bay without harming your tree. Harvesting your tamarind might seem tricky, but it's all about timing. Tamarind pods are ready to harvest when they turn brown and the shell becomes brittle. This usually happens in late summer or fall. If you live in a colder climate, don't worry, tamarind can also be grown in pots. Just be sure to bring your potted tamarind indoors during winter to protect it from the cold. And finally, be patient. Tamarind trees take a while to start fruiting, often several years, but trust me, the wait is worth it when you finally get to taste your homegrown tamarind. There you have it, 10 essential tips for growing tamarind. Happy gardening, and I can't wait to hear about your tamarind growing adventures.